Hi everybody, welcome to the podcast.
Hi everyone, we have two lovely students here that we talk about the relationship between students and the teacher.
Yes, let's start from a question, Ms. Noor. How can students and teachers become friends?
Yeah, a student and a teacher relationship in the classroom, in my opinion, it should be a positive relationship. And how to be respectful and also getting the trust between students and also teacher.
But sometimes some small issues can accumulate and can lead to negativity in the classroom. I think it's up to the teacher, right, Miss?
Yeah, that's right. I strongly agree because of that. We are dealing, like as a teacher, we are dealing with the students that they are highly active because of the teenager or a lower grader. So most of the time, these small issues when students are talking, joking, laughing inside the class, so kind of bothering happen, and these small issue leading to become a big problem.
I think the cause is some teachers are moody in the class. I'm not judging, but our school is like a second home. So we are like a family here, so we can solve the issue together.
Yeah, exactly. It's because of, a teacher should be not like take everything personally. Okay, when students joking or laughing inside the class, it should be lead to a positive classroom. Not, for example, a bothering or something like that. And it's up to the teacher, I think.
Oh, you said friends, Miss. How can students and teachers become friends?
Yes, of course, with the limit and respect. Because, like we say, education can change anyone, but teacher can change everything.
But is it always irritating for teachers when students laugh or talk?
For me, no. As you know, guys, in the classroom, we are joking and laughing most of the time because I think it's a part of education as, become a enjoyable classroom. And also we are updating with the student because we have kind of a student, we are motivating with them because they have a highly unimaginable energy.
So we can talk from now on.
Yes, exactly. Especially in Dyako Compound, we are trying to build a highly educated student.
But we have to try as well.
Yeah, of course. But a teacher motivates with their students.
I thank you, Miss, for your valuable words.
Thanks. I hope a bright future for all of you guys.
A good help for you, Miss.